Hi, it's Joan. This week I'd like to look at random hands. And I was playing random hands the other day when this fabulous hand came along. And I checked at the end who had done what on the hand, which is a great thing to be able to do. Most people had played only game on the hand, and I suspect it was because they jumped to three-note trumps, and that was the end of that. But you want to deal with two good hands very carefully. And you want to make sure that you're in a game force situation, because then you don't have to jump. You can exchange more information slowly to work out, should you be in three-note trumps? Should you be in six-note trumps? Should you be in six of a suit? Well, on this hand, we were able to use fourth suit forcing and then to tell opener that we had a fit for their second suit. And when you are planning to bid slams, it's usually safer to bid the slam that is likely. A suit slam is usually easier than six-no trumps. Not always, but if you do have a fit, pick the safest slam. Six-no trumps often produces 11 tricks and you just can't find the 12th. Whereas if you're in a suit, you can often find that 12th trick by trumping an extra one in dummy or in your hand. Such is the case with this hand. So give it a go, and the robots in defending it made a mistake and didn't play the hardest card for declarer, but you can still make the hand even if the robots slip up. But it does require a bit of work. So enjoy it and enjoy the random hands, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a good week. For responding hand, you have 17 high card points. And what we would start with is one heart. Lower ranked of 2 4s of the majors. And it could be a strong hand, it could be a weak hand, could have 4 hearts, 6 hearts, 17 points, 6 points. Who knows at that point? The main thing is it's forcing. Partner says 2 clubs. They're showing 5 diamonds and 4 clubs. The best bid we can make is 2 spades, which is a game force. If we jump to three-note trumps, partner wouldn't bid again. So we want to force them to bid. They've got a balanced sort of hand. Now we show 3 clubs. We've got a fit in clubs. Do we pass three-note trumps or do we go on? Let's go on. I think we might be able to make a slam in clubs. Partners blackwooding and key card blackwood. We've got 1, 2 key cards. The ace and king of trumps because clubs are trumps. And the queen means we bid 5 spades. So we're now committed to 6 clubs. Okay, ace of spades is led. What have we got? We've got 3 top diamonds, 3 top spades now that the ace is led, the ace of hearts, and 4 clubs. That's 11, it's not 12. We've got to find 12 tricks. They're switching to a heart, which is good for us. Try the queen. That held the trick. That was lucky. Now, we actually need to test the trumps, and we're going to want to throw away these diamonds in case they're losers. So let's start trumps, but remember that the only way to get over to the spades is via trumps. So we'll play a spade back to the jack and hope nobody trumps it. Now a club to see how the clubs break. Oops, they broke 4-1. Not good news, but we can still recover. So play a club over to the queen and finish taking clubs down here, or a club to the queen now. Now play spades, the king of spades, discard a diamond, discard a diamond, and we have made 6 clubs. So playing in 6 clubs was safer than playing in 6 no trumps. The defenders led the spade, and it would have been better if they had continued spades. They opened up the hearts for us, which was dangerous. But if we play very carefully, we can make 6 clubs, even despite the very bad 4-1 break.